guys, welcome to today's InstaForex share of the day, where we use technical analysis to determine high probability setups. So for today, we're talking about dollar yen, right? And as you can see, right, price is actually is actually on the verge of doing a reversal. Why? Because first we want to determine the market structure, right? I always say determine the market structure comes first. As you can see, that price is actually producing higher highs and higher lows, or was producing higher highs and higher lows. And now you can see that there's a reversal here, and then it produced lower highs and lower lows, right? So you can say that market structure is currently doing a reversal, right? So what you want to look at is whether price is going to continue its downside, or is going to do another reversal and potentially go for upside, or trade sideways, right? So to me, right, price is actually going to do a reversal and continue its downtrend. So my reason, I'll give it to you later, right? But first, what we want to do is to find our take profit, our stop loss, and our entry price levels, right? So first, I want to hope that you can see that there's a descending channel right here. I'm not going to draw it very nicely, but as you all know, descending channel, you need 2 points at the top and 2 points at the bottom. So at least I'll try to make it such that, right? Give me a second. Okay. So I'm taking some time because I'll need to draw a nice one so that you can clearly see that what price is doing, right? Right, I would say this is pretty good enough. Wait, let me draw one more, let me adjust a bit more so that you make it clear to you. Alright, so you can see what happens is the price just break our channel, right? Our ascending channel, right? And then price have already retested and failed, right? So you can expect price to go down further because it already failed to break its channel. So what happens is that you have to put your sell entry price at where exactly, right? So I'll show you my sell entry price. My sell entry price will be our graphical overlap resistance, right? Because you see price have vector of it here quite a few times, and then right, because it's at the start of the retest, right? So this is where I'll place my sell entry. Okay. Next, I want to look at my take profit level. My take profit level must not be too far away, right? Because it may not happen, right? So I'll put my take profit level around this area. There's a graphical overlap resistance right here, as you can see. So I'll put my take profit. All right. So next, I want to find my stop loss area. My stop loss area, my risk reward ratio must always be good, right? And where do you exactly put your stop loss exactly, right? Is to actually put your stop loss when it actually makes your idea invalid. So I'll put my stop loss here. So let's just say if price, right, retest and go upwards into our channel, it shows that our idea is invalid. It didn't break, right? So you put your stop loss at the level, right? It means that you will minimize your loss, and it also shows that your idea is invalid actually. Right, so I'll put my stop loss level here. Right, and what I'm expecting is price to go down after the retest. Right. So next, what I want to do is to actually use Fibonacci retracement and projection, right, to determine my support and my resistance level. Right. So I'll use my Fibonacci retracement, right, to go from the bottom to the top as per normal to find our support. Okay. So you can see that our take profit level is at 15% Fibonacci retracement, and our sell entry price, right? I'll move it down slightly more, right, to show that it's around this area, right? Okay, so I'll do my favorite box. So my sell entry price is around this area. Check it graphically, right? You can see that there's an overlap resistance, right? And this is currently also reacting of it, right? So you can say that this is a valid one. So I'll keep my 23.6 and 50% retracement right here. Okay, give me a second while I make the chart cleaner for you guys. Okay, so next what I want to do is to actually find this Fibonacci projection is to see any, good Fibonacci projection point. So Fibonacci projection is all about 3 points, right? Nope, this is not a good one. Maybe I'll take it here, consider taking it here, right? Okay, maybe I'll just move it downwards slightly a bit. Okay, so it's all about 3 points taking, right? You want to validate your idea using Fibonacci projection. So this is what you have to do. Alright, I think this 61.8 is pretty valid, right? Check with the graphical level projection. And you will see that it's actually overlapped too. You can see that this area, right, price and vector, we call it a few times also. Right, so next you want to use an indicator to determine, to support your bias, right? So I'll use RSI, right? So I will normally remove everything regarding RSI and keep only, only the RSI itself, okay? Because I don't need to know oversold, overbought. What I want to do is actually to find any support, resistance, or any trend lines, right? So I can see that there's a clear trend line here. Wait, let me check a minute. Okay, I don't think this is a trend line. No, this is not too. Okay, give me a second while I find it. Okay, I think I find one here. Is this a valid one? Yes, this is a valid one. Okay, so what you're expecting, because your RSS is, recting off your trend line, so you expect it to go lower. Your descending trend line, so you expect it to go lower. Okay, so to summarize my entire, reasoning why I think that it's going to go for its further downtrend, the reason is pretty simple, right? First, I want to put my stop loss level at 114.149. Why? At the inside the ascending channel where it's trying to invalidate your idea, right? Then I'll put my sell entry price at 113.658, where price is at currently, and also where it's retesting, right? Because you expect price to fail its retest and go downwards. So our take profit level is at 111.979, right? Why? Because there's a graphical overlap resistance area here, and it's also a Fibonacci 50% retracement. Okay, so my RSI also proved that my, bias might be right. Why? Because there's a descending trend line right here, and you can say that price may react off it, right? Or the RSI might react off it and go further lower. Okay, with this, I end my, InstaForex shot of the day, and I hope to look forward for the next one. Okay.